How to fix error code 521. Web server is down. Let's begin. This error usually happens when the website server can't connect properly to Cloudflare or your browser. It might be a temporary issue or something cached on your device. First, go to the website down for everyone or just me. Type in the website name, for example, instagram.com, and click search. If it says the site is down for everyone, the issue is with the website itself, and you'll just need to wait. But if it's down only for you, here's how to fix it. Open your Chrome browser, click the three dots at the top right, and go to Settings. Next, click Privacy and Security, then delete browsing data. Set the time range to all time, check both cookies and other site data and cached images and files, then click Clear Data. Once that's done, go back to the three dots, select Extensions, and click Manage Extensions. Disable or remove any extensions that might interfere with web connections. After that, restart your browser and try visiting the site again. In most cases, it should now load properly, and make sure you have a proper internet connection. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.